Hello again, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing a fantastic method to create a medium content ebook in just a few hours, without requiring any writing skills. By selling this ebook through Amazon KDP, you can start earning money as passive income. Let's dive in. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is a self-publishing platform where authors can sell their books on Amazon. In addition to traditional books, medium content books such as puzzle books, coloring books, and quote books are also popular and can earn thousands of dollars each month. These books are designed for fun and relaxation, and don't require a lot of content. Once uploaded to KDP, Amazon handles all tasks related to printing, delivery, and returns, while you can sit back and earn up to 70% of the royalty. For example, Word Scramble books for adults available on Amazon have 1,000 search results, which means relatively low competition, but they are generating significant revenue. Some books that recently got published are already earning thousands of dollars per month. And that's just for one book. Just imagine, if you write multiple books, you can earn substantial passive income every month. So, the question arises, how can you create such an ebook? Well, let me introduce you to an incredible tool called BookBolt. It not only helps you create books but also assists you in researching the type of book that is currently in high demand, so you can start writing and selling them. If you want to create a medium content puzzle book, such as word search or maze books using BookBolt, it's important to note that you'll need to choose their Pro plan to access the necessary features. The Pro plan is priced at $19.99 per month, but if you use my link or the coupon code in the description, you can receive a 20% discount, bringing the price down to $15.99 per month. Plus, the discount is valid for the lifetime of your subscription. Now, let me give you a quick rundown of BookBolt's research functions. On the homepage, you can find tutorial videos to help you get started quickly. The product's research function is great for finding information on books related to your query, such as their pricing, ratings, and estimated monthly sales. On the right side, you can see the most popular keywords as well. The keyword search tool provides information on search volumes, cost per click, and competition for your desired keywords, which can help you select the right keywords to use in your book's metadata when uploading to KDP. Okay, time for fun. Now let me guide you through creating a medium content book using BookBolt. First, enter the BookBolt Studio and create a new project. Keep the project type as cover and interior, and name it, for example, My eBook. Choose the book size, such as the standard and popular 8.5 by 11 inches. Keep the default interior and paper type. I suggest creating a book with bleed, so that it's easier for Amazon to print and cut, and BookBolt will also mark the borderlines for bleed. Finally, decide on the number of pages you need. You can always add or delete pages later, but for now, let's enter 102 pages. Now that the project is created, you'll see that the book cover has a template with the right half for the front and the left half for the back. The red areas are the bleed and should be avoided when placing content. The yellow area is for the ISBN barcode, so be sure not to place any elements there. You can hide the cover template by adjusting the opacity settings for design purposes. Let's explore some of the tool's functions. The Draw tool allows you to draw with your mouse or keypad, while the Shapes section provides various shape elements. You can also add text using the text widget, and upload your own images or get free ones from sites like Pixabay or Unsplash. Additionally, the template library offers different templates for book content such as journals, word scrambles, crosswords, Sudoku, mazes, trackers, and more. Alright, let's get started on creating our ebook, a word scramble book for adults with 2,000 words. First things first, let's work on the cover page. You can always hire professionals on platforms like Fiverr, but we'll show you how to use BookBolt to create a sample cover. First, we'll upload a Daisy's image and add it to the cover page. This is where I can edit the image by cropping, blending, adding effects, changing opacity, and more. For now, we'll adjust the sizing to fit the cover template. With the background image in place, it's time to add some text. We'll select the heading type of text box and type in Word Scramble. After centering the text alignment, we'll move the text box to its proper location. To make the text look better, we'll change the font and color, and even add a shadow effect. Next, we'll add the text for adults. Reposition the text box. Also set the text in a different font and color to create contrast. As the book will have 2,000 words, we'll highlight that number on the book title by adding the text on top of word scramble, and changing its font and color. Moving on to the back of the book, we'll search for a picture of handwriting on Pixabay and add it to the page. After adjusting its size and rotation, we plan to add some sample puzzle pages to the cover. For now, let's start on the next page. Keep in mind, I'm not a professional designer, but hopefully, you get the idea. Let's move on to creating a "This Book Belongs To" page. The first step is to add some border to the interior. To do this, head over to the image section and search for border. You will find plenty of options to choose from, and we'll select one and resize it to fit the page. Once that's done, we can add the headline and adjust its size and position. We'll also need to add some lines for readers to write their names on. You can use the Shapes tool to add a line and reposition it. Feel free to duplicate another line to make the page look better. Next, let's create a Table of Content page. We'll be using the same border image from the library to maintain consistency. We'll add a heading and name it Table of Content. After making some adjustments and repositioning it, we'll create a catalog. Start by inserting a regular text box and numbering the pages for puzzles and solutions. Since we have 2,000 words in this book and estimate that each page will have 40 words, we'll have 50 pages for puzzles, followed by 50 pages of solutions. This means the puzzles pages start at page number 3, and the solutions pages start from page number 53. Next, let's make each page look visually appealing by creating titles with banners. On a blank page, we'll select a banner from the image libraries, reposition it, and add a title. To match the style of the banner, we'll add circular text, with the title of Puzzle Number 1. Then we will pick a proper font and make necessary adjustments until it looks good. To save time and effort, I have some tricks to share with you that can make creating the 100 puzzle and solution pages more efficient. To start, select the title and hold down the Shift key, while clicking on the banner to select both the title and banner. This enables you to effortlessly copy and paste them onto another page, ensuring that each page has a consistent banner position and size. Then, you only need to modify the puzzle number. However, this method still involves a lot of manual work for all the remaining pages. To make it even more efficient, there is another trick. You can right-click on an existing page and select Clone the Page. Then, you can multi-select the pages that you want to clone this page to, using the range selector to quickly target consecutive pages. For example, if you want to clone to all the remaining puzzle pages, from 5 to 52, you can just select those pages and clone them. Voila! All the pages will now have the banner with same position and content, and you just need to change the puzzle number on each page. The same method can be applied to the solution pages as well. Just copy the title and banner from page number 52, and paste into page number 53 to create the first solution banner. And then using the same trick to clone it to page 54 through 102. Then, you only need to adjust the solution page numbers afterwards. Alright, before we start creating the puzzle page, let's first take a look at an example that works with the word Scramble Wizard on Bookbolt. You can download the example CSV file from the wizard, where every 10 words make up a group, and an empty line separates each group. For this demonstration, we'll be using a file with 2,000 words. Simply export the file as a CSV and name it simplewords.csv to prepare it for use. Additionally, I've included a file of 2040 themed words in the description. These can make your book more competitive. The file is already formatted with 40 words for each of the 51 topics. Feel free to use it and customize your puzzle book titles, such as Puzzle Number 1, Holiday, to match the themed words for each topic. But I highly recommend randomizing the words and topics orders before using them in your book. If you're interested, please like my video and subscribe. I might just teach you my trick for generating such a word list in just an hour, as well as how to randomize it. Let's see how to create the word scramble pages using the CSV Word file. But keep in mind that once you insert all 50 puzzle pages with 50 solution pages, you can't undo it, and you'll have to clear all pages and start from the banner again. So let's do some experimenting to ensure that the puzzle insertion has good layout, position, and size. First, go to the Interior Templates library and select the word Scramble template. Only select the current page so that you will only get one puzzle page and one solution page generated. After some private experimentation, we'll set the margin top to 2 inches, margin right and bottom to 1 inch, and margin left to 1.5 inches. You can also change the font family, style, and size. For example, we'll change the size to 50 pixels and the font and line color to black. Next, upload our word list file, where BookBolt correctly detects 2000 words. You can also select the set size, which determines how many words appear on each page. We'll go with 40 words per page, and of course, we'll add solutions after the puzzle pages. If your uploaded file doesn't contain enough words, BookBolt can generate random words for you. You can also choose to have capital letters. After generating one page of puzzle and solution, it looks good, and you can use the same settings for all your pages. Remember to experiment with different configurations until you find the perfect layout for your puzzle pages. Let me now teach you how to insert all of your 2000 words. First, let's remove the previously inserted puzzle page and solution. Next, open the Templates library and select the word Scramble Wizard. Range select only the pages where you want the puzzle part to appear, which in this case are pages 3 to 52. We'll be reusing the same configurations that we experimented with earlier. Remember, once you generate the puzzles, you won't be able to undo it. Once you submit, you'll see that 50 pages of puzzles followed by 50 pages of solutions have been created. To make the puzzle pages look prettier, you can add more decorations. For instance, you can upload an image of a kitten and import it into your canvas. Then adjust its position, make it grayscale, and change its opacity. Similarly, you can insert a background image of a dog, resize and reposition it, and adjust its grayscale and opacity. Repeat this process for all remaining pages. Alright, let's not forget about the cover page where we said earlier that we will insert some interior pages. To download a single page, simply hit File, and Export to PNG, and you'll get a PNG file. Now, let me upload 3 interior pages to the image library, and then add them to the cover page. We'll resize puzzle number 3, tilt it a little bit, and adjust the width and height to 2.7 and 3.5. Remember those numbers because we'll reuse the same configuration to resize puzzle number 2. Let me just make them symmetrical. And now let me put the puzzle number 1 page on the front, and resize it to a proper configuration. After making adjustments to the elements, the back of the book should look good. Okay, we are pretty much done with the content of this book. Now that we have the book, it's time to download it. It's pretty simple. Just click on Download, and select the first option as Download as Printed Books. It may take a while, but it will be automatically downloaded to your default directory. As a sanity check, let's open the 2 PDF files that you downloaded. The cover page looks good, and the interior pages are also looking as expected. Okay, now that you have your book, congratulations. Now you can publish your ebook on Amazon KDP as a Kindle ebook, paperback, or both. Let me show you how to create a paperback book with the files we just downloaded. First, determine your book's metadata and details. On the next step, you'll be able to upload the book cover and interior files that we created in this tutorial. Once you've completed the third step of pricing, you're ready to publish your ebook on Amazon KDP. After KDP has approved your ebook, you can begin your journey of earning passive income through Amazon. Okay, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.